Hey clubbers, welcome home to Disney's Vero Beach. We are in an ocean view in room 2225. We're gonna check it out. First thing you notice when you come in, they got a nice little handy dandy rack for your bags, purses, hats. Over on your right hand side, we have the little kitchenette area with the little mini fridge, sink, coffee maker, microwave. Most of all the things that you would find in a typical DVC villa, toaster, and then all of your plates and coffee mugs. Moving into the room on the right hand side, got a nice little storage area, extra pillow and blanket, pack and play. You got a safe, and then of course you've got your ironing board and your iron. And then say hello to Kathleen, today is her birthday. Over here we have the vanity, H2O products, very nice. Toilet area. Kind of reminds me of the boardwalk a little bit with the subway tile. H2O products mounted to the wall. Got some nice little artwork here. And then moving further into the room, you can see kind of where we just set up our luggage. Plenty of space, plenty of storage. There's a nice little seat with a full-length mirror. You've got the dresser, nice size TV, 2 queen beds, nice bedside table right in the middle, and it does come with, you've got the plugs and the USB ports. And then some fancy beach artwork with a nice little sea turtle. Looks like Crush. We'll swing back around. Table and chairs. Nice little surprise from our very own Clubhouse member, Amy Power. Happy birthday, Kathleen. And then out on the balcony. Again, this is an ocean view in room. I don't think any words can do that justice. The Disney Vero Beach moment of Zen. Beautiful room, beautiful view on a picture perfect day. Looks like right below us is a walkway. And I can zoom in just a little bit. You can kind of see the cool little sign. And it tells you how many miles to Copper Creek, Bay Lake Tower, Hilton Head, Old Key West. Absolutely beautiful. Again, this is room 2225, Disney's Vero Beach, an ocean view in room. Today is our first day checking in, and we are more than excited to be here for the weekend. We're gonna grab something to eat at the restaurants that they have here. They're called Wind and Waves Lounge, Wind and Waves Restaurant. So we're gonna be doing all kinds of tours of the resort, but we are really excited to be here. But definitely, if you get a chance, guys, you gotta check out Vero Beach for sure.